Hi guys, a real quick video for you to enjoy. I posted a picture of a decorated composition book a couple days ago, and I promised a video on how to show how to put the contact paper on smoothly, and pretty much that's the hardest part of doing the project. So let me show you that, okay? So you get your composition book, and I already cut my scrapbooking paper to fit it. People do that part different ways. Some people just go ahead and measure, here and here, and cut and then round the corners with the corner rounder. But all the different brands are different. So one really good way to make sure yours will fit exactly and be nice and clean is to do the following. So I have some light tack that I put on here, and you put your paper on there and you line it up on the sides. You can overlap the black binding. Just make sure it's even. Then you flip it over and protect your work surface, and you get an X-Acto blade. So this takes a little bit longer, but at least your corner, your curved corner I should say, is going to be exactly the same as your book. Because some corner rounders are small and whatnot. So to make it match, if you do the step of, using an X-Acto blade, cutting all the way around, for sure it's going to be perfect. So that's what I did with this other paper. And this is a Bo Bunny one that we just got in. I like it because it has some design. It has a nice open space. So there you go. All you do is you put it on there. And on the silhouette, I cut out a little label to put on here. So I'm going to attach it. Okay. And some people, what they do is they decoupage it, or they just leave it like this. And it is really nice, but everybody knows that when your kid goes to school, or when someone actually does use your book, it doesn't stay that nice. But to keep it looking its best, the longest, it's a really cool idea to put contact paper over it. So here I cut this sheet, and it's about 2 inches on both sides. Now I'm not going to cover this binding part, I'm just going to leave that exposed. You can go over it a little bit. So here's my line of paper. I'm going to go over it just a little bit. Now the easiest way to do this, I think, of course everyone has different methods, is to just peel up a little bit of the contact paper from the release sheet. Wait, let me get this. Okay, so I got it going. So I'm going to take a little bit of it, about a 1/2 inch, and crease it down. Crease it down, crease it down. Okay. So from here, hey, where's my... You get your book, and you just line it up. Let me see, I hope you guys are catching this. Oh yeah, you are. So I'm going to overlap the paper. I'm going to have it be on the book binding a little bit, maybe like 1/8 inch, maybe a little bit more. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get that on, pressing the contact paper to my project. Okay, so I got that kind of started. This is the same kind of technique people do when they're putting on decals for their car, to get it on smoothly and stuff. So we're just applying it to this craft project. Okay, so now the other part is folded up like that, yeah? So then you just gotta go be patient and do it slowly. So I'm lifting up the release paper from the back, and I'm slowly pulling back, and there's more of the contact paper hitting the paper. And then you just continue on and on and on. Sorry, this part's boring. could even use one of these tools if you wanted to. If you have the quick cut scraper tool, that would be good too. I don't know where mine is, otherwise I'd be using it. It's coming out nice. Almost to the end. Alright, so nice coverage. So now what do you do? Okay, well, this is what I do for my books. You might find a different technique for yours, but I just flip over and I start with the corners first. So from the corner, you go in and adhere. And then it's just like wrapping a present. This part goes here. And then I'm going to do this corner. And then this corner. And lastly this corner. This side, I should say. Alright, so that corner gets a lot of wear, but it's going to stay nice because it has the contact paper over it. Okay, and there you see, I have my project all set. A little bit of glue right there. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.